Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 642, and today's topic is the medicinal importance of Peritherium flower, which is commonly known as insect flower. And the history of this insect flower goes like this, that Russians, that was during World War II, were having lot of Caucasian prisoners of war. Caucasians means those like Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, from that part of the country. So they were the prisoner of war, and those prisoner of war, they actually gave the property of this Peritherium flower that belongs to compositor family, and they used to call it insect flower, and it was very effective to kill the insects. So first Russia started cultivating it, and within 1 decade's time, Japan started exporting 80% of insect flower globally, because it is a natural insecticide and very effective, and it was enough to kill all the insects, cockroach, mosquito, and some other house fly, different type of flies were cleared. And then the phytochemists, they started doing research, and they found that it is having oily yellow color liquid, and that is the mixture of six of different type of compounds and structures, and that is called perithrin, jasbolene, conine. So all these structures are given here, and they are responsible of making this flower, that is, to kill the insects, this insect flower. And today the biggest producer of this flower is Kenya. Kenya has overtaken the Japan, and Kenya and also Tanzania. So now on top is Tanzania. In Tanzania, this flower is still they are cultivating and exporting. But in the meantime, when the synthetic products came, like DDT, like Eldrin, Malathion, so these are all the insecticides and pesticides. When these came in market, they were cheaper to synthesize, and at the same time, it was not time consuming to grow the compositive family flower and then pluck and process. So that's why nowadays mostly they are using synthetic one. But my recommendation that if there is chance of growing this compositive family flower, insect flower, is better to use natural insecticide. And this yellow mixture of ester, and that is your Peritherium ester, this compound is natural, and this is not poisonous to warm-blooded animal like us. It is only poisonous to cold-blooded animal. Cold-blooded animals means those animals or insects, they are having either one or two chamber. Like fish, it is poison for fish. It is poison for all the invertebrates, and of course it is not poison for warm-blooded, means those animals like us, we are having four chamber, so we are protected. So this one here, this is actually the ester of, Peritherium oil, and it is having side chain with double bond, 1, 2. These two double bonds are there, and because of the presence of these two double bonds, it is unstable. It is not stable. The moment when it comes in contact of oxygen, it starts decomposing, disintegrating, and it is having this R2, R1 and R2 functional groups. So on the basis of R1 and R2, we are having 6 type of esters of mixture in that peritherium oil. So first one is perithrin 1. Perithrin 1 means where R1 is CH3, where it is CH3 and this one is CH2. Then it is called perithrin 1. Number 2, perithrin 2 means where this R1 is COCH3, acetate group, and this one is the same unsaturated ethene. Number 3, cynerine 1 means where R1 is methyl group, CH3, and also the R2 is methyl group. In both cases, in cynerine 1, R1 and R2 both are CH3 methyl group. Then number 4, cynerine 2. In the case of cynerine 2, R2, the R1 is acetate group, COCH3, and this one is methyl group, R2. Then number 5, that is jasmolene. That is jasmolene 1, and jasmolene 1 means where R1 is CH3 and R2 is same, that is ethyl group CH2, CH3. And here number 6, that is jasmolene 2. In the case of jasmolene 2, here the R1 is COCH3 and R2 is CH2, CH3 ethyl group. So I have written here note. I would have drawn all this instruction, would have taken a lot of space and timing. So I have just given in a very clear way how we can get 6 mixtures of this peritherium esters. They are the esters of peritherium, and that is called as perithine or a yellowish oil. And all these mixture of esters are yellowish oily liquid. So here the botanical name is Chrysanthemum cinefolium, and it belongs to family Compositae. Number 1, the Russians learned from Caucasus prisoners. Caucasus are those people who are living in between the sea of, that is Black Sea, and that is Caspian Sea. Means these countries are like Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. They are known as Caucasian countries, or the people are known as Caucasus. And they were prisoners during World War II. Prisoners and the insecticidal properties of perithrum flowers. Before World War II, the Japan produced 80% of the world's production and exported. At present, cultivation is carried out mainly in Kenya. Number 2, perithrum flowers contain 2% esters, and that ester is known as paratherins, and this paratherine actually is the mixture of 3 different derivatives, and that 3 different derivatives I have already given the structure, and I have already explained how they differ because of the different methyl group, that is CH3 group, ethyl group, that is CH2, such type of grouping is there, and also there are double bonds. So, and it is mixtures of 6 derivatives, and all these 6 are esters and are yellowish oily liquid. They are all these 6 derivatives. They are the esters, and they are unstable to air due to the presence of unsaturation, that is called a double bond. Especially perithrin 1 and 2, which contains 2 double bonds. They are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in organic solvents like petroleum ether, like alcohol, benzene, chloroform, etc. Number 3, perithrum flowers are contact insecticide. They are so effective that the moment these insects will come in contact, immediately they will die. Even the fly insects, when they come in touch of flower, they are knocked down. That's why it is called contact insecticide. And also in Europe, that is commonly called as insect flower, means insect killer flower. That is very good natural insecticide. And I mean, today it is good to go for such type of natural insecticide rather than going for very toxic synthetic insecticides like DDT, like Aldrin, like malathion, and that is which contain to number one. Number three, Paratherium flowers are contact in insecticide and they are quite harmless to warm-blooded like we men. We are warm-blooded, I have already told you, like men, but are contact poison to cold-blooded animals and they can kill insects like cockroaches, lice, bugs, flies, and mosquitoes. The extract of flower is known as quick knockdown effect of flying insects, particularly flies and mosquitoes. If we are getting the extract of that alcoholic extract of flower, it is very effective and it will immediately kill the housefly and mosquitoes. That's why this flower extract, we can use it for our mosquito repellent or mosquito killing material effect, and flying insects, particularly mosquitoes, and they are used as natural insecticide. Today it is not common because of the presence of different type of synthetic insecticides like DDT, like Aldrin, malathion, so many others are there. So with this I will stop, but my observation is that if it is possible, especially in African countries, in Kenya, people should approach to get this insect killer flower that is called insect flower, and they can use it as a one of the most powerful insecticide in natural form rather than synthetic one. Thank you very much once again for watching the lecture.